check the wrong bus. Me almost get hit by a car.
But you ain't pressed my line, wondering why you ain't shy.
I better find your loving.
Hey guys, welcome. What's up, Ray? We're starting off a new vlog. We're actually we're actually heading to fall. You want to show you the fall? Like, we're actually heading to the tree. I ate some strawberry and it just cheese. But we're going to the tree. We're in the Uber. Yeah. For the last vlog, I'm not sick in this jacket, but I'm really same have a clean shirt underneath and clean into the jacket. We are utilizing the jacket. I'm just making it clear. Utilizing the jacket. We're just utilizing the jacket over and over. It's not the same clothes. When we get to Dollar Tree, we'll talk to you guys.
Starting right now,
We're in Dollar Tree and Baby must take the picture. Take the picture. Alright, me I take it. You come now. Alright, ready. Alright, picture, landscape picture. Alright. Alright, put on it. Put on and take a picture. We're in Dollar Tree, guys. Alright, picture in one picture. I don't know why I'm not vlogging, but I'm just so focused. I'm thinking I could get these as serving trays for the party. What would I put in these? That's what I'm figuring out now. Oh, me okay, them something and I want to give me audience care between each other. Talk to me. I don't even know. You ready for me? I don't know, but these are so. I love the idea. Like, what would I put here? What would I put here? What would I put there? I was wondering if I could get these to. But will it keep? I don't know. Will it keep it warm or whatever? I don't know. Don't play with Dollar Tree. No, Dollar Tree, down your money, guys. Watch out. Don't play with Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree will down your money. Yeah? Don't play with Dollar Tree. It will down your money. Okay? I'm serious. But I'm taking a lot of party stuff, so yeah. Alright guys, so we left Dollar Tree with Wally Babagas. I don't know. Love Dollar Tree and we're now at A&W. The first meal of the day. Thank you. Thank you. First meal of the day. Yeah. So there. The pan greaser up here are free is. Guys, me and Aaron want your friend. You want to greaser? Put on the scarf good. He said I call and I know I call right now, you know? You're cold though. Man? We're going downtown. It's already late, but this is a new vlog, I think. I don't even know. But let's see. Let's see. We're supposed to go a long time ago. Babe, say want you with me? We can't really touch it. Jesus! My God! Blow! Stop walk, so. You walk, we can't let people there. We don't do what. This is my feet, guys. So, right now we're watching crazy. Eh? What? Yeah, just start. You put feel uncomfortable already? This tree is so pretty. Turn the camera, Shona. Tell you what coming on. This tree is so pretty. Guys, what do you look like this camera? Oh, you look by yourself. And you look like what them people there from their culture there. What's that cool? So we missed the bus. We were supposed to catch a bus, but then we came out here
When we reach right, I said the bus driver, but whatever. We're waiting for the other one. It was 26 minutes when that was, so it should be shorter now. Which is I think it's about 4 or something like that, or 3 something. Yeah, but be uncomfortable. And then cold. We should have buy the gloves then. But yeah, that's what's up. I hate using. Mr. hate use the front camera now. Every time I talk about it, like I don't know, but your ears they know Okay. Alright guys, so yeah. Okay, so we're at Rugil. We're at a station to go downtown and to the other train. Yo, but cool. Hurry up, that pass. Hurry up, that done. Babe, look like we're ready. You look like this cherry sauce. We're going with a live. We're going with a live. Man, look cool. When I said we made a big mistake today, not buying gloves. We should have bought 2 gloves today. Sometimes I can't use my another door. Now with $1 on the phone. No, sir. Because later I got cola, because now it's like after 4. Be ready, could be. Hi guys. So guys, we're now on the subway that will drop us off in underneath the mall, and then we'll go from underneath the mall to promote the station to open the mall. So basically,
Please stand clear of the doors.
we're cool, we're not going to tell the live. Guys, so we are outside. We came outside the Eden Center. The lady said just walk. We're trying to find the sign, so we're just gonna walk straight this pathway because we're leaving the mall. So yeah, guys, we made it to the sign. See the sign over there. So, oh god, man, I'm absolutely cold. I'm freeze. Oh god, we are freeze. That's it. Must stop it. Many take our life. Hi guys, so yeah, that's what's up. We made it to the sign. See it down here, huh? Gonna snap some photos. Nice pictures and stuff. This is so pretty. Eh? What's that? For sure. Okay, someone end it like that. Oh, you know, so you can make something wrong. No water nothing in there, so you see? Look at no water nothing in there, water in there. Deep, let's see. So why would the sign be back and front? The sign back and front, of course. Where would it be? Guys, we're heading back into the mall. Yeah. Man, call your friend. Yeah, but look last day. It's all leak out in your clothes, you know? The look last drop down on the drain, people. Would you believe it? Backside. Oh yeah. Come here, lady.
No, I'm saying if you lost it. If you lost it. We are now in Bath and Body Works. Been making candles. I got some stuff already. No, babe, right here, right there. Guys, we're gonna try this thing. It's not Canada. I don't know what's that, but you know, you put on this virtual stuff and they take you. She take you in time. So let's see. We're gonna try. It's free, so yeah. That's babe. She's listening to his. This lady coming from. He's listening to his right there. Yeah. It's a whole history about Islam, but it's good. The experience is good. And we're still downtown. We went to Bath and Body Works and got some stuff. I got a candle and I got a body mist. Still not too hot now, but I was able to get something. I actually got a lotion, but it's like $8. $8 for one. That's kind of pricey. Like we don't fry the feet around here, so for your $8 price for one thing, that's kind of heavy. We're looking for $4, $3, $5 a month. Yeah, but yeah, so there's not babe to finish his thing. Then we want to go downtown, not downstairs in the urban eatery, because I want one tea bad. The gas up bad, not one pain. Been telling about the pain a long time, but not really eat no pork on it. How was it, boo? Just history, not true. We'll go downstairs. So all near down there. We'll go in there and look first. That's history about Islam. I mean, accept Islam.
Islam, based on the information there,
Yeah.
Islam and Christianity.
Similar.
Yes, because he said after Noah master,
Yeah.
man come back from the Christianity talk about Noah.
Noah. Oh, I'm sorry, baby. You okay?
Christianity talk about Noah. And this is something before that. So, you know, get funny. Religion divide on people. When I look funny.
What are you? Sorry, darling.
When I look funny, religion basically one thing.
Yeah.
Just that people want different things.
And not one thing, but people kind of, it's like one, I feel like there's one main religion, and there's people that cut it up and take them one thing. Clearest to get cheap here, like, they get cheap jewelry or whatever. And not clearest. Can't look back on when I come back. Yeah, but no, I like jewelry and stuff. Not really pitney. Nice earring and stuff for it. But it was good. It's a good way to share this stuff, not sure. Yeah, and you kind of get like, you know, yeah, enjoy it too. Yeah. So we're gonna head to Old Navy right now. Me and my hubby. Old Navy is right there. You know, say, no, I like, I need used to there, so. But Old Navy right there. So, I don't say forever to know used to, but like me, I go to. Guys, I'm not Serena, but after 12. We're going to get into a story time, yeah. I say after 12, I'm out here. We take wrong bus. We come off a bus. Look here. No. The baby's over there. Right now we're hungry and we don't know where we're going. I'll have a flight to catch like, we have 4:30 in the morning. No, sir, I can't bother. I can't bother. Story time we're reaching. Darkness now. See there? How we alone out here? This one man way down there, so. You see the man down there, so you see him? No man. Guys, me just talked to now while ago, so we have bus chronicle story to tell now. However, we decided to come. You look? Huh? We decided to come out and get something to eat because we're hungry. We don't have nothing at the house to eat. Peace out to them like 1 a.m. Come out the door, reach there like 12:50 something. And them say the kitchen lock the blouse and skirt. Waste over money. That's that. Come here doing this away, see me? Where's got me at? Guys, so We're actually at the airport from the last trip on the city. At the airport we didn't know. I go home. We're supposed to wait on a shuttle out here, so that's what we're gonna do. Wait on the shuttle, and then yeah. So guys, today has been a very successful day. Everything happened today because everything was today. From taking the wrong bus to have to come out in the middle of the night somewhere, to me almost get hit by a car. Take the wrong bus. The man was saying that, oh, you guys are on the wrong bus, and you have to ask one shot to the look at come. You guys are on the wrong bus, and then there's a bus coming down there, so you have to try not to miss it. You know, so that alert my mind and make me get an idiot. Yes. And then we're on the wrong bus, and me now blaze off a bus. And I remember say it's our 2 lane or 3 lane, 2 lane, blaze off of the bus. And I got bust the corner and the bus one car come. With a van, with a jeep, right? Tell her that? Yeah. I come bird speed. You man have to jam in brake, me have to, and the bus is blow it. I said, Jesus Christ. They will come off over the bus stop where the bus come. Or they reach it before the bus pass. After they say sometime in a bit, I never tell a story before yesterday. They will see a bus for them pass like they don't say, because there's no way the man could have seen it in a seal. I must see when we across the road to catch the bus and me touch out my hand. With a drink one Tim Martins. Lord Jesus, I'm hungry. I'm tired. I need some money. Yeah. No, it must fly. Excuse me, Lisa. Come on now. The bus fly past me, and when the bus fly past me, we're like, what? The man not say we, and the other driver, he must say, you know, like he can't do nothing else. He can't, the shop sitting, you can call him and say, pop, he just passed, not true. Man fly past it, then we walk, navigate our way back to the mall, Scarborough Town Centre. We navigate our way back to the mall, Scarborough Town Centre. We have the direction, because even though we have the app, you can't take it. And then the quality bus will carry you, because everything is like around in circles. You know, bro? It's just that you take some journey longer than some, you know, right? Yeah. So I'm sure today, hopefully, now we got there, so now, and then when we board that bus, I almost missed the stop, because Bill just said, go and go find out to make sure. I almost missed the stop. A good thing him go ask and make sure, and then the man tell him say, the man tell her, man just indicate when I time to stop. And then it was so cold. May I continue the story, because the shuttle come, the cold bus come. When we get to the next part of the airport, I will continue the story for today. We're now in the cold bus and it's dark. So, and it's a shuttle that takes you from one part of the airport to the next part. So, I'm cold. Come at the Tim Martins today, we're going to go and now there's no food partner over there. Okay. Because we did a pizza out last night. We didn't eat from about long time. We feel hungry for a long time. Not true. But today early, I just after 7 to 8. Not true, for late. So we decided to go get something from the airport. I will cover the old side. Then I have nothing fancy over here like that, you know. And I just get could egg them, egg flavor 10 camel. Fry them cow, bread dry. When the bacon I don't taste good. We're going on the flight now, yeah?
With approximately 30 minutes to landing into Montego Bay. At this time, if you've been using any items, we ask that you kindly restow them in your bag, either under the seat in front of you or in the overhead bins. We'll be coming by.